Health and well-being is something that's really important to me.
And there are supplements that we can take, and it really does help.
So I think it's so nice to know that you're putting something in your body that's fueling you and helping you.
My confidence now is amazing.
And your skin becomes a little bit baggy, your hair starts to thin out. It's just nature. However, there are ways to, compensate for that.
The Jinko hair care plan has been brilliant. My hair's thicker, it's fuller, more healthy, shiny, stronger.
My energy levels are definitely up, and I'm really on a journey to improving my overall well-being.
It's so important to still maintain yourself, look after yourself. After all, if you're not doing well, then you're not going to be able to give your baby the very best.
It's great to know that I'm taking something that is really helping my skin.